know these past couple of years have been beyond difficult, tearing away at our social fabric through isolation and illness. And I know that you have not had the college experience you expected, but at its core, Monmouth College is a mission, inspired and initiated by Presbyterians who believe every person has a call, that every person has God-given potential, and that a liberal arts education has the power to liberate that potential.
The talent that was given and was received today symbolizes so much. It symbolizes the difference that those of you who have received this talent have made in the life of the person who gave it to you.
Okay, we all ready? To the class of 2022, Slungy Va!